Here we are. Today we are going on the Soko high-speed train that runs on the route Belgrade Novi Sad Belgrade. We parked here at the Novi Belgrad train station, since we don't know if there is a parking space at the Prokop station. We are now at the Novi Belgrad railway station. Here we will wait for the Soko high-speed train, which departs from the Belgrade center station. That station is popularly known as Prokop. The Novi Belgrad station is the second in line going from Belgrade, and the penultimate when returning from Novi Sad. This station has a nicely arranged parking lot for cars, so we decided to leave from this station. We expect the arrival of the train at 11:05, so we continue to Novi Sad. It is planned that the central Belgrade railway station, as well as the central station of the entire node, will be the Prokop station. Unfortunately, that station has not been completed to this day. That station has a long history and has been under construction for almost 50 years. In 1970, the plan for the realization of the Belgrade railway junction was adopted. In 1974, the project of the Prokop station was adopted and the decision to build it was made. In 1977, a decision was made to start the works. It was planned that the Prokop station would be completed in a year and a half, and the Prokop station was supposed to be opened on Labor Day, May 1, 1979. Today is June 28, 2022, which means 43 years later, the Prokop station is still not finished. It is capable of receiving trains in the part under the concrete slab, while the entire planned complex has not been completed to this day. We hope that one day that will also be completed and that the Prokop station will operate at its full capacity. Of course, there are many reasons why this did not happen. Namely, at that time, at the end of the 70s of the last century, there was a big economic crisis in Yugoslavia. Then, the same situation continued during the 1980s, then came the war years of the 1990s, and these are all the objective and subjective reasons that the entire project of building Prokop dragged on beyond measure and beyond all deadlines. We are expecting a fast train, so let's see how it is. Belgrade station is nicely decorated. In addition to classic counters for buying tickets, there are also automatic machines where you can also buy train tickets. At the station, everything is well and visibly marked. There is also free wireless internet and we hope it will remain so in the future.
iz Beograd centra za Novi Sad dolazi na treći kolosek.
While we are driving through the Vojvodina plain, you can say that the speed of the train is not felt to such an extent, but you can feel the pressure in your ears, so you have a feeling similar to when you are in an airplane. The train we ride has the official designation KIS 200. It is currently the newest train in the Stadler group of intercity trains. This train can reach a speed of 200 km per hour. We will show how at one point the train really reaches a speed of 200 km per hour. By the way, KIS 160 is a slightly older model and it reaches a maximum speed of 160 km per hour. The Swiss manufacturer is constantly improving its products, so the KIS 200 is currently their most modern intercity train. The Swiss manufacturer is constantly improving its products, so the KIS 200 is currently their most modern intercity train. This train can carry up to 1,000 passengers depending on the configuration of the carriages. It is a double-decker train, and has an upper and lower deck for passenger accommodation. One of the significant features of this model is the wide entrance door for faster exit and reception of new passengers. For now, the Soko fast train is running on the route Belgrade Novi Sad Belgrade, and it is expected to run on the route Belgrade Sérvia. In the future on the Belgrade-Budapest route. In this sense, we sincerely hope that we will be able to drive to Budapest in the near future. As the sign indicates, you can get hot drinks, tea or coffee, juices and water in this train. Then there is also wireless internet, as well as 220-volt sockets for those who want to plug in their laptop or some other electronic device. The Soko train is a modern European train, compliant with all European standards. It can travel without problems on all European railways, as well as on Serbian railways. For those of us who used to ride on trains in Yugoslavia with wooden benches, the Soko high-speed train is the most similar to a spaceship. We hope that one day such trains will run on all regional railways. Here we are. We arrived from Novi Sad in 32 minutes and we continue on.
Ode, a novi dolazi.
Voz 549 iz Novog Sada za Beograd centar dolazi na četvrtim koloseku.